Hi guys, this tutorial purpose of the cheap domain where you can find the cheap domain for our business blog and our business website and professional website and our application and server database and lots of purpose. We find the cheap domain for our starting days. Okay, for now we are here at the Maxkinon website. We recommend some best web hosting you can find. If you are from the India, then you can find the cheap domain name, cheap domain hosting. It's a cheap domain hosting for the starter, learner, or student. For student, they can learn for buying the cheap domain. Okay, and if you are the intermediate or expert, then you can go with the Hostomata hosting. This is a fast web hosting with SSD and fully managed web hosting, and you can also purchase the VPS from there. Okay, let's move to the main topic. Okay, for the cheap domain name, through the link, I will put the link in the description. You can find. Okay, this is the website you can find. I already checked this. Their business, their host, the services is almost 7 years. They're providing domain and hosting, so you can buy here the cheap domain name and also purchase the hosting. Okay, so for now, search for the testing purpose. We use a demo name. Okay, just search here. If you put any name, it will be show the .in domain. Okay, but you put this here, the extension.com, and search here. It's just a 499, and you can see the .in is a 299 and .com is a 449. Is very cheap here, and I think is the renewal costing will be 700 or 800 INR. So let's move add to cart. Okay, cart and hit continue, and you can use the DNS management. Click here and you can change the name server here and continue. Okay, you can see there are no any hidden charges. You can only pay the 449 for the .com domain. If you are the existing customer, just log in here, and this is the personal information, and put your information and check out. You can pay via your credit card or UPI if you're from India, and if you from this another country, then you can pay with the credit card. Okay, they accepting also credit card, so there is no hidden charges. They said this annual is a that's mean is 876 for the renewal cost. Not for that is the order summary. For now you can use it 1 year is 449. Okay, that's the video for today. Thank you, and see you soon in the next video.